welcome back, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Okay, I'm actually very excited and I'm not my usual calm self, but I like unboxing. So this is from W2beauty. And W2beauty is, I got to know of that website because one of my favorite K-beauty bloggers, Ju Chow, alias 50 Shades of Snail, Fiddy Snail on Instagram, and 50 Shades of Snail is her blog, which I have been following for a very long time. She's now a contributing editor with W2beauty. So they had a fantastic sale going on in November, and I picked up a couple of these things which were highly recommended by a lot of K-beauty bloggers. So I'm going to be testing out a couple of things for the first time. So I am actually opening a lot of this for the first time in front of you guys. The first thing that I ordered was the Moistfull Collagen cream from Etude House. So this is actually a pretty inexpensive collagen cream, and a lot of people have said that this gives a very plumping effect, and this would be a great thing to start with your anti-aging routine. The next thing that I have bought because of Fiddy Snails, as in Jude Chow's recommendation, is the Camellia Flower Antioxidant Cream Mask from Sandawa. Now this is not a cream. This comes in this very beautiful red bottle, and okay, let me just open this. Yeah, I don't know if do you know what gulkand is? Do you know the kind of rose kind of sweet thing that goes into your sweet pan? This smells so much like gulkand, so much like roses, and this is not a cream. This is more like gel, and it's like a wash off mask that you can perhaps put wear on your face for about 10 or 15 minutes before you bathe in the morning. And I bought 2 of these. So that's in my box. And the next one that I bought was, I'm going to be trying this for the first time, Swanee Cocoa. This is also the first product that I have got from Swanee Cocoa. This is a fermentation care serum, and this promises to brighten your skin. So I'm going to be trying this out, and I shall review this to see if it actually stands up to its claim. That is the next one. I bought 2 of this. The other one I have started using, and this is Sandawa's face oil, which is an argan oil based formula to instantly moisturize and nourish the skin to leave it soft, smooth and bright. So this is also from Sandawa. So I got this antioxidant mask and this face oil from Sandawa. All this while I've actually not been buying from W2beauty because I thought that it was pretty expensive, but when the sale came on, it made a lot of sense. But what I was truly shocked about was the amount of samples. Look at that. That's a lot of samples. This is the highest number of samples, free samples, that I have got from any K-beauty shipper so far. I've got 5 sheet masks. One from this brand called Moksha. I'm going to be trying this for the first time, called Dear Orange. And then the Face Shop's Lemon, Real Nature Lemon Face Mask. Also Eunul, I'm hearing this for the first time. This is a cucumber mask for natural moisture. Of course, Misha's Pure Source masks I have tried before. This is aloe. And this is also from Misha, the red ginseng sheet mask. This is Hambang, I guess. I've also got this Tony Moly's sweet stick. Now let's see what this is. This seems to be some sort of a lip balm. Seems to be tinted. Yes, it's tinted. It's slightly orangey and smells very sweet. Very sweet. Okay, I shall put up a photograph of this on Instagram later about this. And the next is the Play 101 blending pencil, which is also a sample from Etude House. Okay, this seems to be some sort of an eyeshadow stick. I guess I could also use this as a contour stick. It really blends well and it's not muddy. I'm going to be trying that. And let me see how much product is in this one. I hope this doesn't fall off. The last time I tried doing something like this, the product actually fell off. Okay, I'm not going to be trying anymore, but looks like there is quite a bit of product in this, and if I actually like it, I will see if I buy it how much of product is here, because all of this is in Korean. I'm not able to figure it out. Okay, so this is 1.1 gram of product. So we shall see how this works. This packaging says this is a multi-blending pencil which expresses various makeup looks through the mix and match of different colors. I guess a lot is lost in translation. Okay, so now okay, I shall see how this works as a contour stick, though it might just be pretty sharp lines. Now I've got an Honest TT Mist and a cleansing foam from Benton. Wow, what is this? PDA 1.0 soft cocoa peeling cream. I don't know what this is. Too much of it is in Korean. And then I've got an Eclado Laboratory Sun Cream, an AC Pimpeel Cream, an SUM37 Waterful Deep Effect Ampule. It might, all this works when I'm traveling, you know. And this is the Sulwhasoo Gentle Cleansing Foam, the True Relief Moist Cream from Etude House, then the Panda's Dream Cream from Tony Moly. Now the thing with all these white magic creams is that it makes your face look literally like a white doll. So if that is your thing, you would like it, but this is not my kind of thing. Next is the Face Shop's Chia Seed all-in-one cooling gel water and then cream. Then we have Skin Foods Watery Berry Ampule and Gel Cream, Eclado's Cell Memory Cream, and this is an extra hydrating Swan Cream from Swanee Coco. The Dr. Belmere ATO Salt Cream, that's interesting. Another Aloe Propolis Soothing Gel Cream from Benton. Sulwhasoo's Concentrated Ginseng Renewing Cream. This is beautiful, beautiful. Snail Bee High Content Lotion from Benton. And I have got these two, the Vitamin C Calm Down Emulsion and Calm Down Skin Toner from Swanee Coco. I have heard a lot of good reviews about this vitamin C line, so I'm going to try this out. And then the Yewadam Brightening Cream. Let me see how much this brightens. So that's that. And this says from the heart of soul with love. So these are the number of samples I've got for buying these. So I think that was a good deal. The biggest reason that I actually got to check out W2beauty is because they had this fantastic sale, and I love the fact that they sent me so many free samples, and that's brilliant. And as for the shipping time, it took me about a month for this to be delivered to India. The second thing that I would always suggest is that please, when you buy K-Beauty products from any of the websites that I have been suggesting or anything like that, please choose India Post, okay? I would suggest that you don't choose FedEx or DHL, because each time that I've had to ship from FedEx and DHL, they have made a mess of the bill of entry, which is the kind of bill that they put up, which they present to customs, and then customs actually puts a fee based on the bill, which will be inclusive of the cost of the product plus shipping. So now what they did the last time was, I think last time I either shipped with DHL, and they actually billed my products for more than what I had actually paid, and I actually showed them proof of purchase from my credit card statements and everything else. So please, I beseech, I plead, please choose India Post. India Post has always delivered on time. All these products in the past 2 years have come on time, and they have picked up the right customs fee after I have presented the bill. So I have been extremely happy with India Post. So I would always choose airmail and make sure that it comes via K-Packet or airmail like that. Don't choose anything else. That would be my small suggestion. And that is my unboxing of my haul from W2beauty, and maybe in a forthcoming video I will tell you what I feel about all this. Until then, this is Chinmayi saying bye. For a very long time, I have been sharing to you guys on Instagram about skincare from this brand called The Ordinary.